Good morning, everybody. This morning, the Lord speaks to us out of Exodus 34, verse 29. And what it says in the Amplified translation is, when Moses came down from Mount Sinai with the 2 tablets of the testimony in his hand, he did not know that the skin of his face shone and sent forth beams by reason of his speaking with the Lord. And when the Lord comes to us and says, if Moses could walk in that dimension, if the way that Moses was hosting him was so evident in his time and season. He came down the mountain, it says he went in the mountain and he stayed with God. So the thing now is, we are on top of the mountain in Christ, in the New Jerusalem, the word says. We are the temples of God. We are in the Holy of Holies. It says in Ephesians, we've been created to be the Holy of Holies. So our portion, the dimension that we should be walking in, is in this transfigured dimension. And you see, the thing is here, to Moses, it was a natural, because he did not even know that he was shining and he was transfigured. And the fear of God came all over the nation, and some of them just ran away. And where the Lord comes to us now and said, we need to be much more focused, much more intentional in hosting him and revealing him. And when the Lord speaks to you, he said, we need to get a fitness. Our intentionality will be according to our love. You see, and love gets, expanded. Love grows in you. The more you are intimate with him, the more you encounter him, the more he reveals himself, because the more you seek his face and the more you're obedient, the more he can trust you. But this is a time and season where we really have to manifest, let's say, the essence, the center of the temple, the center of his glory to the people and in the natural, that the fear of God really comes and creates a jealousy of God. And how intentional, the Lord asked me this morning, how intentional are you to reveal me in that transfigured state as I am in heaven? How intentional are we to reveal him in truth? It should not be something supernatural, but it should be a natural. It would be as easy as walking like Moses. It should become a habit with us, that we just walk and we just shine, because we're totally communing with God all the time, and we are truly hosting him, walking in that awareness of him all the time. So let's make a real effort. Let's seek him. Let's grow in our love, and let's start revealing him and hosting him, especially in truth. I bless you.